Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Priceville local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to find and hire a cheap Priceville moving company? 3 Movers is not only an affordable option, but also a very trustworthy moving company. We specialize in local and long-distance moves. Whether you're moving a home or a business, we can make it a much easier process for you. Finding a long-distance moving company offering the right custom services isn't easy. We offer all of the following options. Packing services. Don't waste your time and energy packing or unpacking. Let us do it for you and use that time for other relocation tasks. Moving supplies. With only the highest quality moving supplies and packing materials, your things will be well protected when you choose us. An on-time move. Our team of movers will show up at the scheduled time, and we keep your moving day from becoming delayed. Upfront pricing. Start by getting a free estimate from us and set your moving budget with an accurate cost. Licensed and insured. Our team will make sure all your things are well protected throughout the entire move. If you're ready to move 100 miles away or further, we're ready to help you. Our team will ensure you get the best services possible. Don't let the moving process overwhelm you. Hire us and let us take care of the hard work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Priceville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.